Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this got ripped by the post office, so let's go ahead and start there. I love American Girl dolls. I always have. Hadn't played with them in a while, and now I am again. And I got this one. I ordered this one, and it came from Wasilla, Alaska, which is funny because I'm setting up a sled dog scene with American Girl dolls, and guess what? A lot of the mushers in the Iditarod and such come from Wasilla, Alaska. So now I don't know if she's going to be a musher or if she's going to stand as is. Oh God, she's really nice. This is Molly. Is that Molly? Get a close-up on that face. See what everybody says. Shouldn't Molly's eyes be a little bit more green? But I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. I got a great deal on Molly. If you're looking for a Molly, a Carolyn, or, oh God, what's the other one? A Felicity. And just start looking and keep looking because they are more expensive than the others. Preloved, other American Girl dolls. She could be tightened, but she's not awful. Yeah, that's Molly, isn't it, Molly?
I know you're not asking me.
Well, it's not Samantha. I'm sure it's not Samantha. Gosh, she's really, really cute. I am gonna take some pictures though and ask before I leave my feedback because I did pay more. It does have the original outfit, the original skirt, and the original shoes for Molly. And now I need to ask you, how should this doll from Wasilla, Alaska, where mushers live and play, be displayed? Should she be one of my sled dog girls or should she just be Molly? I actually got her. Karen at Starch and Stitches and I are looking at the different American Girl dolls. We won't do them all at once. Different historical girls. There is a pattern set to recreate their clothing. And that's what I actually got her for. But then, Wasilla, Alaska. That's where Susan Butcher
Yeah, I
and
think a lot.
Rick Swinson.
Jeff King and
Yeah.
so many more.
Yeah. That Wasilla is just the
Hotbed of
this
sled
could have
dog
come
activities.
from a musher.
Yeah,
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Leave a comment what you think about those eyes. Molly or not Molly?